Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'll show you how to rotate and duplicate objects in CorelDraw. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do, let's say for instance, I want to go ahead and come to my tools bar right here. So I decide to select my circle or ellipse tool. Then having selected my ellipse tool, then I'll press Shift key on my keyboard and draw a perfect ellipse tool right here. Okay, now I can decide to increase the weight. Come to the top right here. I can decide to increase the weight. And let's say 16. That's kind of much. I'm going to make it 8. Okay, now this particular shape right here, I want to hit it, and at the same time, I want to repeat it to as many as possible to form different kind of thing entirely. How do we do that? So first thing first, make sure you locate the center point of the object. Click on the center point of the object. Having clicked on the center point of the object, you have a rotation pin at the center of that object. Next thing you want to do is to drag down and make sure you snap it to the contract right here, or add whatever you want to. Make sure you snap on this particular shape right here. Once it snaps, start from the area you want to rotate and duplicate. So I want to start from the right edge, from the top right here. Next thing you want to do is to press Shift key on my keyboard and drag. Then I will place with my right click. Now, next thing we want to do here is to press Ctrl D and duplicate it as many as possible until you are satisfied. So I'm going to press Ctrl D, Ctrl D. You can see Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D until I get to this point right here. Just like what you see right here. That's it. Next thing we want to do, we can go ahead and group everything together. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one right here, and I'll make sure I delete it. And then we have it right here. I'm going to go ahead and select everything right here. Then having select everything, I can come to the top right here and make sure I group all the objects. Then I can as well change the color of this particular shape right here. Now press P, select, just like so. We have it right here. It's that simple. More tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDraw software. Consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.